Hello and welcome to our video on cosmetic limb shortening surgery. In this video we will delve into the costs, international practices around the world, and financial considerations associated with this unique procedure. For those who may not be familiar with this procedure, let me provide you a brief explanation. Cosmetic limb shortening is a surgical technique aimed at reducing the length of a limb, typically focusing on the legs, to achieve a person's desired height. The surgery itself involves carefully removing a section of the bone and then using specialized techniques to rejoin the remaining bone, allowing for gradual healing and adjustment. If you want to learn more, please watch our previous video. One of the first things people often wonder about is the cost of cosmetic limb shortening surgery. It's essential to understand that the cost can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the country in which you undergo the procedure and the extent of limb shortening required. In some countries, the surgery may cost between $19,000 and $30,000 or more, making it a substantial financial commitment. Please keep in mind that this cost range is based on quotes obtained from various clinics worldwide. In the coming months, the figures may see fluctuations. The practice of cosmetic limb shortening varies globally. Some countries impose strict regulations on such procedures due to ethical concerns, while others take a more relaxed approach. It's crucial to research the laws and regulations in the specific region and seek out reputable, board-certified surgeons if you decide to undergo this surgery. As of now, cosmetic limb shortening is predominantly performed in Türkiye, Ukraine, South Korea, and the United States. While this procedure is sometimes carried out to correct leg discrepancies or deformities, it's also performed for cosmetic height reduction. Cosmetic limb shortening is not as common as limb lengthening, so it's crucial to do thorough research on the facility where you intend to have the procedure and the surgeon who will perform it. Inquire about previous cases and consider reaching out to former patients for their experiences. Budgeting for cosmetic limb shortening surgery necessitates meticulous financial planning. In addition to the surgical costs, factor in expenses for pre-operative consultations, airfare, post-operative care, accommodations, physical therapy, and potential complications that may arise. Don't forget to account for time of work during the recovery process. Particularly for those who are considering doing the surgery abroad, it's advisable to allocate a sufficient amount to cover all procedure-related costs and allow for a reasonable recovery period. Currently, height reduction is the only facility offering cosmetic limb shortening surgery in Türkiye. The surgical fee stands at $19,850 USD. We provide pre-operative and post-operative services for patients traveling from around the world. Please note that post-op accommodation and services are not included in the surgical fee, so there are additional costs. The recommended duration of stay under medical supervision and with the doctor's oversight is 1 to 1.5 months. Hence, you should budget approximately $4,000 USD for a monthly stay in Turkey. Additionally, it's important to set aside funds in the range of $5,000 to $8,000 USD in case you encounter any complications. Please be aware that these prices may fluctuate over time, so it's advisable to consult with us for the most current fees. In conclusion, cosmetic limb shortening surgery is a complex and expensive procedure that requires careful consideration. It's essential to thoroughly research the costs, processes, and regulations in your area and other countries, and consult with qualified healthcare professionals to make an informed decision. Remember that surgery always carries risks, so prioritize your health and well-being above all else. Thank you for watching our video on cosmetic limb shortening surgery. We hope this information helps you better understand this unique surgical option. If you decide to pursue it, ensure you do so with the guidance of experienced medical professionals. Bye. Feel free to ask questions about the procedure via email, phone, or social media.